Hello, everyone. For this week's discussion, C1B1T1, I would like to discuss the purpose of using an index. So we use indexes to improve the database's performance, and an index is very similar to like an index in a book, where you want to try to find like a query or search. You could just scan the database with the index. Typically, you would create and maintain an index for any column or combination of columns in the table, and the database will have a faster data retrieval time. The example I will use for this is actually a variation of create index called create unique index. This type creates an index where duplicate values are not allowed. So create unique index is different in that it ensures the uniqueness of values in a non-primary key column. This unique index has is all the same properties of a normal index, but it's just that additional property. So the database will reject any update that causes a duplicate value. I'm going to use the HCIT database in our example, and this database actually has a table with a column named SSN, standing for Social Security Number. And so I want to create this unique index so the database rejects the addition of a person whose social security number is the same as that of a person already existing in the database. So we want to ensure that the database is accurate and potentially prevent a fraudulent or a misused social security number. So the way that I have structured the statement here is going to say use HCIT, create unique index. We're naming it Social Security Number, shortened SOC number. And it's going to be on the table person. And this would be the columns, SSN. So I'm going to go ahead and execute that. So we notice here that it was performed successfully. So I just want to verify. So I'm going to refresh over here on the schema side. And we're just going to pull down HCIT. We're going to look at tables. And down here we see person. And since we created an index, we're going to look at indexes. And there you go. You see SOC number, social security number, as a unique index, non-clustered. And just to further the example, I'm just going to show you how to drop it as well. So simply put, it's just going to be another statement with drop index. And then because we used person as our table, we're going to add the name of the index we created. I like just this one. And command is completed successfully. So if we went ahead and refresh this one once more, person and indexes should be none. And that was it. Thank you.